Have you ever wondered if PocketGuard, that handy little app we use to keep our finances in check, has a rollover feature? You know, like those savings accounts where your unused money rolls over to the next month? Well, today, we're diving deep into that question. Let's find out if PocketGuard has that magical rollover feature. What is rollover? Before we get into PocketGuard, let's quickly define what rollover means in the context of personal finance apps. Basically, it's a feature that allows any unused or leftover money from a specific period, like a month or a week, to automatically carry over to the next period. This can be a great way to save money gradually without having to manually transfer funds. PocketGuard, a quick overview. Just in case you're new to PocketGuard, it's a personal finance app that helps you track your income, expenses, and savings. It's like having a virtual financial advisor right in your pocket. It categorizes your transactions, sets budgets, and even provides financial advice. But does it have that elusive rollover feature? The rollover mystery. I've been using PocketGuard for quite a while now, and I've always wondered about this. Does it automatically roll over any leftover money from one month to the next? I've searched through the app settings, FAQs, and even the online community, but I couldn't find a definitive answer. So, I decided to do some digging. Testing the waters. To test this out, I created a hypothetical scenario. Let's say I had a budget of $100 for groceries in a particular month. If I only spent $80, would the remaining $20 automatically roll over to the next month? I kept track of my spending and checked PocketGuard at the end of the month. Unfortunately, the $20 didn't seem to have rolled over. Community insights. I then turned to the PocketGuard community forums and online groups. I asked other users if they had experienced rollover. Surprisingly, I wasn't alone. Many users reported similar experiences. It seemed like PocketGuard doesn't have a built-in rollover feature. Workarounds and alternatives. While PocketGuard might not have rollover, there are a few workarounds you can try. Manual transfers. You can manually transfer any leftover money from one month to the next. This might be a bit tedious, but it's a straightforward way to achieve the same effect. Savings goals. PocketGuard does have a feature called Savings Goals. You can set up a savings goal and allocate a portion of your income towards it. Once the goal is reached, the funds can be transferred to a separate account. Other apps with rollover. If rollover is a must-have feature for you, consider exploring other personal finance apps that offer this functionality. There are several options available in the market. So, does PocketGuard have rollover? Unfortunately, based on my research and the experiences of other users, it doesn't seem to have this built-in feature. While it's a bit disappointing, there are workarounds and alternative apps you can consider. With that said, thanks for watching.